Turbine Guy coming back at you out on a client's building in Waconia, Minnesota. And this is what I call a happy client. Why? Because unlike so many people are trying to say out there that solar doesn't work, I have absolute proof solar does work here at this building. Now this building, you have to understand, they use $5,000 worth of electricity every month. They've got anodizing going on down in there. And what's anodizing? That's where you corrode aluminum. That takes a lot of electricity. We'll take a look at that in a minute. But what I want to show you up here right now is this. We have got 100 solar modules up here, 400 watt Hanwha Q cells. They've been operating since last May, and today's the second to last day of March. So about 10 months, a little over 10 months. And the great news is this client with this system has not seen an electric bill since we fired it up last May. $5,000 a month. That's 60 grand a year. Cost him a little over $100,000 with the tax credits, which may or may not be there, with the ability to depreciate this, how much energy he's saving. He's paying this system off in 1 year at today's rates. 1 year. Now, even if the tax credits weren't there, so what? It's maybe a year and a half at today's rates. And we all know the rates keep going up. This company right here has locked in its electric costs for the next 20 to 30 years at today's rates, and it cost them a year's worth of electric bills to do it. As I noted above, the reason this place has a huge energy use is because they anodize stuff. They got a lot of tanks they got to run, they got electricity they have to use in order to get their products done. We come up to the Yaskawa Selectria solar inverter. That's a 480 volt 3-phase AC inverter. We can see that even today on a hazy day we're making 25 kilowatts out there. We look at it over time, the energy this month, it was 3,600 kilowatt hours or 3.6 megawatts. The energy so far for the 3 worst months of the year is 6.8 megawatts. And the total lifetime energy of this bad boy, 39 megawatts or 39,000 kilowatt hours. And let's not forget, like I said, this is the end of March. That bad boy was fired up sometime in May last year. So we've still got another month and a half, 2 months to go to complete the yearly production. And this isn't the only system. The same client contracted with me to put another 40 kilowatt system over here. Now they are a little different because this is a 3-phase 480 volt system, where that's a 2 or 3-phase 240 volt system. So over there we're able to use the N-phase microinverters, and we could only put 99 on as we had to balance the system. But basically you've got 2 40 kilowatt systems neck to neck or back to back. Oh. One happy client here. You could be a happy client. I do DIY systems with super fast payback times too. All up to you. Turbine Guy signing off from a very successful solar project in Waconia, Minnesota.